Hello everyone! Before my shopping video start, I want to show you guys my latest find. VacLife cordless handheld vacuum. VacLife is a professional brand that specializes in home and automotive appliances. Serve millions of customers worldwide. 5-star seller on Amazon. I love using this vacuum to clean my car, especially when you have 3 kids so always makes a mess. It is very lightweight, so it's easy to use and it's a good quality for a very reasonable price. It is cordless and so convenient to use for both home and car. It is fast charging and long-lasting runtime, low noise and strong suction. Exquisite LED light, and it's got 3 attachments fully equipped for all-around cleaning. If you want to purchase this item, I will put the store link on my description box below with a discount code for you guys to use. Thank you and enjoy watching my shopping video.